Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment and share this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here we are going to discuss about the topic excretion. As you all know that wastes are produced inside the body of every organism and they need to be expelled from the body. If they were not expelled, they would poison the organism. So that is why the process of removing waste from the body is called excretion. Here we will discuss only the ways by which we expel waste. Several organs of our body are involved in the removal of waste, and the waste generated in the process of digestion is expelled from the large intestine, and carbon dioxide produced in the process of respiration is expelled from the lungs through nostrils. Here we will discuss about sweating, the urinary system and the dialysis. Let's come to the point sweating. We feel cool when sweat evaporates, so sweating helps us to keep us cool. We also excrete water, salt, and a substance called urea in the process of sweating. Urea is a waste produced when proteins are broken down in the body. Sweat is secreted by sweat glands. A sweat gland is a coiled tube which opens onto the surface of the skin. So dear students, here we are going to discuss only important terms which you will have to remember. So from diagram you can see that the sweat gland is under the skin and it is a coiled tube which opens on the surface of the skin. The waste from the surrounding capillaries and tissues pass into the sweat glands and they are expelled as a sweat from. Now we will discuss about the urinary system in brief. The urinary system filters out the waste product collected by the blood from all over the body and it is expelled as urine. So urinary system consists of two kidneys, urinary bladder and two ureters and the urethra. Urethra is a small tube through which urine is expelled. Now each kidney has about 1 million tiny filters called nephrons. A nephron looks like a small cup or a funnel. Water and waste like urea and salt filter into cups from the blood in the capillaries. Blood cells and other large particles remain in the blood in the capillaries, and the clean blood leaves the kidneys while the waste flow into the tubes of nephrons. So it means that nephrons filters our blood. So the clean blood leaves the kidneys while the waste flow into the tubes of nephrons, and the waste which comes down flowing through the ureters and are collected in the bladder in the form of urine. So now comes to the point dialysis. The dialysis is the process of removing waste from the blood artificially. It is the artificial method by which waste are removed from the blood. The patient's blood is taken out of an artery, you can see in the picture, and it is allowed to pass through a tube whose wall is semi-permeable. So here the meaning of semi-permeable membrane should be clear to all of you. A semi-permeable membrane is a membrane which allows only some particles to pass through it. So the tube which is dipped in a solution acts like a sieve. It allows the smaller waste particles to pass out of the blood into the solution, but it does not allow the blood cells and proteins which are larger to pass through. So here you can see that semi-permeable membrane, here in this process semi-permeable membrane is acting like a nephron in the kidneys. Now thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.